One major theme for me in this is this feeling of absorbent legs, this sort of like cushiony amoeba legs that can go like this and have some resistance. And that happens both in the standing work and in the floor work. So one spot where I really feel that is this that we were doing, that I can totally do this and step on my leg with no absorption, meaning it's kind of stiff, but I want to have this pliability. So as I circle the foot, I'm softening onto the leg and then coming out of it, and softening onto the leg and coming out of it.